Wake up to these better days. No clouds, just sun on my face. Flowers grow through the cracks in the pavement. Fresh kicks and my favorite jeans. Stepping out, living loud and free. Walk around like a brand new melody. Hear me when I'm singing that. Oh, 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 oh. And it keeps getting better. It only gets better. Oh, 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 oh. And it keeps getting better. It only gets better.
So here we are at our site, seasonal site, and we thought of sharing with you a topic that we have been thinking about. What is it?
Yeah. Well, it's seasonal versus transient. So as you know, the past 2 years, we've been traveling around a lot and doing a lot of reviews. But this year, due to the whole crisis in the country, we've picked a spot and we've stayed here for the most part. We've gone to 1 or 2 places.
Yeah.
And we are now thinking, like, what should we do?
Yeah, what is there is a better thing? Can you have both, or what do we miss about traveling?
Yeah.
But at the same time, there are a few things that we very much enjoy
Yeah.
about being a seasonal, right?
Right. And this probably wouldn't be as hard of a topic if we like were full-timers, because you probably could have both a lot more, but we're not full-timers.
Yeah.
So we gotta make decisions.
One more thing. At the end of this video, we are going to open one more piece of mail. We got a care package from someone that we don't know in person yet, but we have become friends through this channel. So if you want to see what's in the box, stick around till the end. Let's do this. Let's talk about the differences between being a transient and being a seasonal, and then we can share with the audience some of the places that we have visited around here and the things that being a seasonal has enabled us to do.
Okay.
What are the things that you like the most about being a seasonal?
Well, obviously, the packing and the like connecting and hauling, that has been so much easier to just get in the car, you know, and get here. We don't really need to, even a lot of times we don't even need to pack clothes because we leave them here.
Yeah.
So we can literally, like Friday, I left work and came right here. I didn't even go home to get anything.
Yeah, I personally like that you're not limited by the time of the day. You know, when you are traveling, you have to check in and out at certain times. Usually the checkout day is a little bit stressful because you want to enjoy the day a little bit, but also pack everything and get out. When you're a seasonal, there is no such a thing. We have been able to stay until the very end of the day on Sundays and then go home at night. And the other thing I like about the same topic is that sometimes it's a Tuesday evening, and if I say, I'm going to the campground, then it's there. And then you go and it's ready. What am I sweating?
You're
Sweating a lot. Well, it's very, very hot. This New Jersey summer is a killer.
You're Dominican. Get it together.
Oh, I feel happy. I feel comfortable, but I'm sweating. Little pro tip: if you come camping to New Jersey in the summer,
Bring your bug spray. I knew what you were gonna say.
Yeah. So anything else?
Yeah, the other thing that I really like about being seasonal is, like, the kids are very familiar with the campground. They're starting to get to know some people. Not that we're playing a lot with a lot of people because of everything, but they're starting to see friendly faces.
Yeah.
They ride their bike in a little loop because right around our site because they're familiar with the area. So that's really nice too, is that we are starting to get to know people, becoming a little bit of a community.
Yeah. And also something I enjoy a lot. I think we briefly talked about this on our video about Weekend Warriors. How on Sunday afternoon, the campground is great because it's empty. The pool is so empty during the week, and that is really, really nice.
Yeah.
Also, I like that you can equip your site much better. Like that chair that
Yeah.
you sit on right now, We wouldn't have that if
Yeah.
we were transient. We have a really big grill.
Yeah, although I
Now-
was just saying that we're starting to accumulate a lot of stuff,
Yeah,
and it's going to be hard to leave because we have all these things that when we
Yeah.
are camping, we're not going to be able to take with us that
Yeah.
easily.
but at least this year we are really enjoying it. It feels
Yeah.
cozy here, like at night, outside with all the hanging string lights around these trees. It looks really nice and it feels cozy.
So, anything else you like about being seasonal?
Yes, you don't have to spend any money on firewood. Every Sunday, my son Arlo and I take the little wagon and we go around the campground and we gather all the firewood left by all the transients. So that's a little plus. don't tell the owners of the campground. But yeah, we've done it. And of course, there's that little thing now, making that really annoying sound. What are those
Cicadas?
cicadas? Sorry about that. I'm sorry to my wife for apologizing
He
about.
always apologizes for all the noise.
Well, I'm sorry. I think of the audience and you don't. All right. So, what are the things that you miss about traveling almost every weekend?
Well, I think the thing I miss the most is just getting to see new places and getting to explore, because that was one thing we said last year when we did one of our videos, that we probably wouldn't be going to a lot of these places if it weren't for the channel.
Yeah.
And knowing me, because I don't like change, I probably would never go anywhere if it wasn't for you. So that is something that was kind of fun, is getting to see new places, explore new towns, see sites that we've never seen before.
Yeah. Sometimes I feel a little bit. What's the term?
FOMO.
FOMO. Because there are so many places that I want to go, and sometimes I feel a little bit like.
You're missing out.
Yeah, and especially on Friday mornings, noon, when I see all the transients driving by, going to their sites, I get that traveling itch. But so far, no regrets. We really like it here. And the next point is that because we are seasonal in a touristic area, that enabled us to go to more places that are not, only the tourist traps. We have been able to explore a little more, discover new beaches in the
Yeah.
area.
That's true, because in one weekend your time is limited to where you're going to go, and when you are coming to the same spot week after week, you start to explore new areas, see new sites. So we have gotten to, even though we've came to Ocean City the past 10 years, we have explored a lot more new places since we've been here.
So, this is what I miss right here. You're gonna see it here in just 1 second. That when I see that every Friday morning, I get a little bit.
Sunday morning.
No, Friday morning is when they usually
Oh, like
check in.
pulling in. Okay.
Yeah, that's when I get a little anxious. So, are we going to continue traveling only next year? Are we going to be seasonal? Are we going to attempt to do both? Are we getting a fifth wheel?
Nice try. I don't know. I think that for the sake of our channel, we are going to continue to travel. But if we can manage to do a little bit of both, and maybe share the seasonal with like my brother's family, where we kind of trade off weekends that we're not using it and we're traveling that he uses it. So maybe we'll do that. So you hear that, Joel? Better start paying. Saving up your money.
Yeah, so let's see. I guess next year is gonna.
Well, and who knows with COVID, because if this doesn't change, we might not have too many options.
Yeah.
And we're gonna have to change our channel to product reviews. We're gonna have to work for Blackstone.
That's not a bad idea. Grilling for a living. I think I found a new vocation in life. All right, honey, should we open the box that we got from Matt? All right, so lately we have been getting a lot of love and support from you guys, from friends, this is turning into a little community, which is what we always wanted. On the one of the previous videos, we opened a box from Blackstone, a little care package.
And the other day we came back to our camper with a bottle of wine and
A little
note from the Kornmeyers.
Yeah.
Just letting us,
Saying thank you for the
Exactly.
videos, and guys, you are amazing. And also our friend Matt sent us a little box. I have been wearing this hat non-stop. It's already getting dirty because I rarely take it off. But yeah, let's check what's in the box and what he sent, right?
All right, cool.
All right, we have it right here. I don't think you can see it, but it's right here. So
All right, so Matt sent us a couple of horseshoes. One for the camper, one for our house.
yeah, so can you explain
So
what does he do?
Matt's company is the Tobacco Barn Craftsman, and they are in Kentucky. And
Yeah.
Matt sounds very Kentucky proud.
Yeah,
Like,
which by the way, I cannot wait to do an RV trip.
to Kentucky.
Yeah, Kentucky,
I've-
Tennessee
I've
is
never
gonna be
been to
amazing.
Kentucky.
Yeah.
So the horseshoes are good luck, and what Matt's company does is it sounds like they repurpose a lot of things. So this wood is repurposed from a horse fence, and this horseshoe is from the let me see where it says. The hook is a genuine racing shoe, fresh from the track.
Wow.
So this is a symbol of good luck. He told us to hang it above our door, and it's supposed to catch the luck. So you hang it like this.
It has to be like facing.
Yeah. If you, I think there's a superstition that if you hang it like this, it's bad.
Dude, don't
luck,
even.
so
You
You better put these up now.
And I really like these ones because then you can like hang your coat and
yeah.
everything here. So
Yeah, that's cool.
maybe we're gonna put one in the RV and the other two at home.
Then he sent us a little bit of swag, a little
Yeah.
can
look at
cozy.
this.
t-shirt.
Ah, look at the back. So cool.
Great state of Kentucky.
Awesome. I
and
feel like I
let's-
should put my hat.
You should put your hat on.
This is the hottest model you've ever had, man.
And then he sent us a bunch of stickers that I'm sure our kids will love to
Nice.
put all over the place. And a little note, here's a few pieces of our product, some Kentucky hooks for the house,
Mm-hmm.
shoe, and then a shoe for your house or camping, always you up so the luck doesn't fall out, hat for Eli, and some shirts for you all, and for stickers for the kids and the camper.
He's saying that I should stop wearing my diesel power hat and t-shirt.
So that's Matt, Sarah, and Cooper.
Yeah. By the way, Matt and Sarah are really fun to follow on Instagram. I'm gonna put their address here. So thank you so much, guys. And I believe that's all we have today, right?
Yep. Now we gotta get to the pool because it's hot.
And unfortunately, go home today, right?
Yeah, work tomorrow. Oh well. I don't even know what to say. I don't have anything good to say about work.
All right. Thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Eli.
And I'm Fawn.
And yeah, thank you. Thank you for being here. We'll see you in the next one.
I was almost gonna go like this. And I was like, so I went like this.
Yeah, sometimes I feel a little bit of a, what you call it, mofo? FOMO. What's a mofo? I'm gonna put that in the filters.
FOMO.
Yeah.
Start again.
Yeah, sometimes